What's up, guys? I am back. So, y'all, it is raining out here. It's like the second day in a row that it's been raining out here in LA. And I'm like, what is going on with this weather? But it's kind of great. It feels great because it calmed the weather down, calmed the temperature down a little bit. So it's not as it's not as warm as it was. It's a little bit cooler and it feels great. It feels awesome. And I need to get some water. Head to the store. And I'm excited about classes starting next week, you guys. I'm so happy. It's like we've been out of class for what, 3-4 weeks now. So our classes start back next week, and I am looking forward to that. Getting back in the groove of things. Finishing up my second year, going into my third year as a PhD student. Now I'm hanging in there. Yes. I'm gonna show you guys this I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Hi, good morning. How's the weather where you are? I know on the East Coast they were complaining, saying that it was like really bad weather, a lot of snow and freezing. Here is like perfect weather. I'm headed to get some water. And I kind of want to talk to you guys briefly about this whole Dr. Umar Johnson situation. I did come to you guys last night and talk to you guys about it, but I do have much more to say. It's icy. Yeah, look at what it looks like here. Show you guys. I'm about to go grab me some water real quick. But the streets are all wet. It was raining. I'm surprised how much rain we actually got. Like, this truck is crazy. Like, all this wet weather, rain, and I'm just taking a stroll out here in Hollywood. And about to get some more. It's crazy, man. People are going crazy over this whole Dr. Umar Johnson situation. People comment and don't even realize that they're part of the Coon Fest. I'm like, come on, y'all. Y'all need to stop that damn drama. Stop with the bullshit. You get what I'm saying? Let this man do his work in the African American community. Y'all, like, people don't even realize that they're part of the Coon Fest. They don't even realize it. Give me some water. I'm like, come on, y'all. Y'all need to just... Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Stick on it. What's going on?
Put this here. But it bothers me because I'm like, come on, y'all wake up. Don't y'all see what's happening? You got people talking, oh, why are you getting so defensive? All you got to do is just answer. I'm like, y'all doing the same thing. Same thing the white people doing. Don't even realize that you're doing it. You just jump on that same train. I hate your train. Like y'all just jumping on the same train.
No, I went theater to watch this movie.
Alright, let me get these.
5-0?
Yeah. Set you guys down right here.
You go on YouTube, buying water from the store?
No, you are
I don't
on.
think a
You
lot of
are
people
on
are gonna watch
live.
it, though.
You are on live right now.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
No, it's not about the water. It's just part of my day, part of my journey.
You don't have cash on you?
No, debit. Be right back, guys.
It's good. Game leads?
Yeah, we have a
Game.
game lead.
No, I don't have a game. I have a Swisher. I have that
I gotta get some
old
breakfast
something.
too, guys.
No game.
You have backwood?
Huh?
You have backwood?
I have backwood. Thank you, miss. Have a great day. Bye.
Thanks, man. What should I eat today, you guys? Y'all, did y'all say hi to him? Did y'all see him? Chinese man out the store. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna come to y'all. I'm gonna go this way. This is ridiculous, y'all. But yeah, I'm so happy because next week, y'all, I'm looking forward to it. I got to be the only freaking PhD student that's excited about going back to school. Most students, like, they can use the extra week or extra month. I'm like, no, I'm ready to go back, like, right now. Because I have work to do. I have to go ahead and finish my IRB proposal application, resubmit it because I had to do some revisions on it, and then hopefully wait for IRB approval. They go ahead and give me the green light, and I can go ahead and do the study. And I will keep you guys updated on my study as I go through the process of recruiting my participants and conducting the study and then analyzing the results of the study. And you guys will definitely be the first to know the results of my study once I publish them. So be on the lookout for that. That's going to happen this semester. It has to happen this semester because I got to finish a class and I got to get a grade. But it's actually a preliminary project to my dissertation that I'll be working on, where I will be doing a full-blown out study. I'm thinking about doing an intervention for my dissertation. And like, you guys inspired me so much. Y'all don't know how much y'all inspire me. You know? Even when you guys come on here and you challenge my views, challenge my perspective on things, that motivates me so much, you guys. Like, it really reassures me of my purpose and my calling in life, and that it tells me I'm on the right track, because I know that anything that you're working towards, y'all see the rain? Anything that's worth working towards, you know, you're going to face some opposition. You're going to find people trying to attack what it is that you're doing. And that's exactly what's happening with Dr. Umar Johnson. That's happened with all of our previous leaders. Like, it happens. It happens. You just have to be prepared for it. I like the way he's handling the situation. I think so many people are caught up with what's happening between Dr. Umar Johnson and Tariq. They're like going crazy. Oh, like this and that. I'm like, come on, you guys. People do that. They having a disagreement. As if you guys don't have a disagreement. People disagree. That's all they're doing. They're having a disagreement. I don't know. But they're having a disagreement on their views on this whole movement. You get what I'm saying? Dr. Umar Johnson has his perspective. Tariq has his perspective. It's okay for people to get online and express their different viewpoints. Yes, I think anger comes in the way, right? And then you get to the point where they start, you know, they say it's name calling, but it is what it is. Call it what you want to call it. I feel like people don't be honest enough. People are not straightforward enough to admit the truth when it comes to situations like that. We try to cover up and mask things as something different. Call it what it is. If a motherfucker is acting like a coon, they a coon. If they're acting like an Uncle Tom, your ass is an Uncle Tom, whether you want to identify yourself as that or not. That's exactly what it is. There's a term. Essentially, there is a term. I don't know if they have this gate open, but there is a term for black people who go over, up, and beyond the call of duty to protect the system of white supremacy. You get what I'm saying? There is a name for that. When I mean up and above, beyond the call of duty, I mean they willing to tear each other down at that expense, doing whatever it takes. You get what I'm saying? So this is an issue. This is definitely an issue for people who are fighting for the advancement of the black community. You got people on the other end trying to pull them down. You Uncle Tom, you're getting in the way. That's what you are. You are a motherfucker that's getting in the way. Take it back. The term, excuse me guys, the term originated from back and during slavery time. You had coons back then. It was the original coons, the original Uncle Toms back then. And over time, they just evolved. You get what I'm saying? They just evolved. Same fucking term, same concept. Let me fucking have this shit locked. Oh well. Let me go back home. But same concept, same idea. You know, it's just a different day and age. People, like, look at all these black people attacking Dr. Umar Johnson. And what I mean by attacking, they got some shit to say. I'm going to come back and talk to you guys in a minute because I have to end this vlog right quick and get myself some food. But I will be back. And I'm so excited about next week, you guys. Like, I love school. I know a lot of people are just like, school, but I love it. I think I'm going to be a lifelong learner. I'm always going to have an attachment to the institutions, research institutions, that is, you know, because number one, I'm dedicated to doing research. I love it. Committed to it. I like learning. I like teaching. I like sharing information. That's just me. So I'm excited about going back to school. I'm excited about the environment, the learning environment of learning. Even though sometimes it can be hostile, right? Because, hell, I don't even think I have a black teacher. I got like all white teachers. You get what I'm saying? That's just how it be. And sometimes they don't understand as black students, or they look over us. You get what I'm saying? But then guess what? We have a way of getting our point across. We have a way of being seen and being heard. And that reminds me how you have people over time, they try to say, well, black people act like this, black people act like, black people loud. Black people just probably just trying to be seen and be heard. I feel like that's what's happening with this response, this whole backlash to Dr. Umar Johnson situation, his little scandal that he got going on. People just want to be seen. They just want to be heard. That's it. They just want to be seen. Look at myself in the mirror. They just want to be seen. And they just want to be, I see me back there. And that's it. I feel like, so people, to that end, people will say and do anything just for attention. Just even looking at the video that I made last night and looking at some of y'all comments, I'm like, y'all just want to be seen. Because yes, everybody has a point of view, but you got people jumping on there, oh, so why is he saying he's a clinical psychologist if he ain't? I'm like, I'm making a video telling you guys what the deal is, telling you guys what the details are, stating the fact that he is a psychologist, and y'all still questioning it. Like, I can't deal with people like that. To me, that's ignorance. I can't deal with that. On top of that, to give y'all information about the video, his ass went to court. The state board is saying he's a doctor. He's a psychologist. And y'all as black Negroes still saying, oh, he's a psychologist. You know, he need to show his credentials. It's like, give me a freaking break. I seen this meme. This shit was funny. I'm about to end this video. I seen this meme where this black girl laying on the bed. She was like on life support. It was a meme basically saying how black people are just tired. Got a motherfucker about to die. You get what I'm saying? Just tired of niggas. So tired, your ass on your deathbed. On life support. Tired ass Negroes got other black people on life support. Black people are on life support. I think the meme is like a good, it's a good representation of what's happening in the black community. You know, it's a disease going on. I feel like there's a disease within our community, man. Shit got to be stopped. I don't engage in it. You can't engage in foolishness. You know, if you see something that you know is not right, you know, don't try to join in that shit. You don't see my freaking eyes like swollen, but don't engage in it. I got this rain too. It's raining, but it's nice. It's nice weather. It's like people engage in foolishness. Y'all like that shit. Nobody is talking about, I don't hear too many people saying, oh, let's pray for Dr. Umar Johnson. Let's support him. You know, let's fight for him. Let's fight for the cause, drawing attention to the original cause that he's fighting for. You know what more black people are interested in? They're more interested in the ignorance that's going on. They're more interested in this foolishness. You get what I'm saying? Ignorant. They're more interested in the attacks. They're more interested in, you know, the controversy he has with Tariq Nasheed. That's why I'm like, you got to be careful who you have in your inner circle, because you got some black people, man. I swear their minds ain't right. Their minds are not right, and they will have your behind messed up. You'll be messed up associating yourself with Black people who are hurting inside, who are going through their own pain, and instead of taking it out and directing the energy towards the right place, they lash out at each other. It's just sad, but I gotta end this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back in a few minutes after I get some food. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.